Shit, I want to go on me youth. Alright, you did it. Yo, you done already, you know. Rastacomic all day, that was Jamaican English. Hello, my friend, this is Rastacomic.
That's
Here
the
on
white
a
man?
wonderful day. That's the white man way of doing it. Ning Hang Lang. This is Vancouver. This is Vancouver, not Vancouver. Vancouver. Now, today,
Fucking massive.
straight
You know, Rastacomics
live.
out here right now,
all
eh?
day. So, you know what I mean? Let's talk about the shit while we do a little walk, you know what I mean? Enjoying the beauty of Van City, you know, as you saw before, the gallant supremacy of justified beauty. You know what I'm saying? This is Van City, you know what I mean? And I'm your host, Ray on Dread X Master. Remember that? That's my gamer tag, nigga. Don't fuck around. Anyway, we are real, man. We are say, yo, we love BC because there's no place like BC. You see what I'm trying to say when I say there's no place like BC? I'm talking like, look at this beauty. Look at the wonders of BC. You see? Now, let's look at the world and say that BC is the place to be because we don't have no snow on a regular. You see? We have wonderful summer beauty at all times. You see it? Anyway, I like to say that we at what do you call it again, the Vancouver Convention Center, where we're running the thing, we're doing the thing, and we're trying to teach people about how beautiful Vancouver is, you know what I mean, and how the comic book industry is rising to the next level in Van City. You see what I'm trying to say? So as we speak and spotter and go on with the matter, we realize that, yo, you know, we can't wait to go back another place, and I can't wait to sell like 1-2 books. You know what I mean? Bust a Rasta comic book, maybe sell like a 1 or 2 Rasta Manias, you know what I mean? But out here, it's like, I enjoy writing stories out here, you know, because it gives you so much ideas, opens your mind to a vocab of many intellectual languages and ideas. You see, you have the Asians, you know, they run one part, South Van, East Van, you know, you got the Hindus in Surrey, you got the Jamaicans done by commercial, you know what I'm saying? Vancouver, the place of multicultural happiness, you know what I'm saying? So we as Rastacomics, we want to bring that happiness to the world and show you how the Comic Con is in Van City. Because Van City is the best city, and you got to respect that city, you know what I mean? BC is the place to be, baby, you know what I mean? So, yeah, like I'm saying, I mean, it's a beautiful day, and, you know what I mean, a couple of weeks, you know what I mean, we're doing, not a couple of weeks, sorry, I might have made a mistake slightly made a mistake, but in a couple of days, maybe, a day or two, we might be making a mill, making a motherfucking mill, nigga, you know, big money. And the way we're gonna do it, we got some t-shirts, you know, you can see that. Rastacomic, right?
Rastacomics.
You know, on the bus, we have that dollar sign. We have that
A
dollar
big
sign.
man thing
You see
still.
that? The show that them all get big, I blew up, you see it? So, you know what I mean? Rastacomic's gonna get big sooner or later, you know what I mean? A little bit of work, you know what I mean? Like a little bit of, a little bit of inspiration. We might get big in 2 more days, you know what I'm saying? We might be motherfucking millionaire in 2 more days, yo. So, yeah, I mean, this is part 2 of the video, and we're gonna hit you back on part 3 when we're getting excited and we're showing you the sexiness. Well, you know what I mean? Like, we talk about cosplay. People be like, yo, Comic Con is a nerd thing. Dog, you must be out of your mind. There's mad bitches in there. Sorry, ladies, not bitches, ladies. You understand? But mad, excessive, beautiful ladies in there, and they all look like what we call them, Jean Grey. You know, they look like the Ice Queen. You know what I'm saying? Yo, we have all kind of things. We have what we call a Mystique. You know what I mean? We have mad chicks out here. They playing anime con. They playing cosplay con. They doing all kind of crazy shit. You know what I mean? But me particular, I'm the Rasta comic book man. So, you know, you see me Rasta comic book all day shit. You know what I mean? Everything I wear is Rasta comics all day. We got the shoes, maybe not the hat, you know what I mean? But we got the top, the pants, you know, it's all Rasta comics all day, you know what I mean?
Ooh, shit.
Anyway,
You know you represent.
you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Represent all day. And we represent BC all day. So here what I go on. Respect, and we're gonna link up on the next thing. Rasta Comic Station out. Pow! Fly out to the stars.